Hey, it's Jordan. Today, let's talk about tracking system changes. By tracking specific records or fields, you'll receive notifications whenever they're changed or updated. In this way, you can automatically stay up to date on important information. For example, there's a ticket which one of the accounts I manage opened, and I'd like to stay updated on its progress. To set this up, let's go to the ticket's object and open the specific ticket. We can now click the three-dot menu and select the Follow option. I'll now receive notifications for changes made to this record. Let's go over the different types of notifications you'll receive about records you're following. The first lets you know that a user added a note to your record. As a quick reminder, you can always access your notifications by clicking the bell icon at the top of your page. Here we can see a note notification which tells me that Mark Weisman, who is another system user, added the note interested in Gold Plan to Ava Reynolds' account, which is an account I follow. By clicking on the notification, we'll be brought to Ava's account record and can see the note in the stream. In this way, I'll stay up to date on any notes added to this record. I'll also receive a notification for each time that a user adds a file to this record. By using the Follow option, you can choose to receive notifications about the notes and files added to any records in the system, and stay up to date on these changes. To stop receiving notifications, you can click the three-dot menu and click Unfollow at any time. If you are the owner of a record, you will always receive notifications about changes made to the record. In this way, record owners will stay notified automatically. In addition to the note and file notifications, you'll also receive notifications for changes made to tracked fields. When a field is tracked, every change made to its value will be saved in the stream, and anyone who is following the record will be notified of the change. To see the logs of tracked field changes, click the filter icon in the stream and make sure the System Log option is checked. All these logs will now appear in your stream. Each log will include the field which was changed, the previous value, and the newly set value. For example, we can see that I changed the status field's value from new to qualification. Let's change this account's status to the proposal stage and refresh the page. As you can see, this change is now logged in the stream. In addition to these logs, a notification with the details of the change will be sent to anyone who follows this record. This helps you keep track of any important fields within a record and ensures you don't lose the previous values. To set up tracking for a specific field, you'll need to open its settings. Let's track the rating field so we have a record of its previous values and will be notified whenever it's changed. Start by clicking the three-dot menu and then select Edit Page. Now click on the field you'd like to track, in our case, the rating, and then go to the field settings on the right and click the Edit button. Now we can edit this field's settings. Check the Track Changes option and then click Save. By saving our main page, we'll be brought back to our account. Let's edit the rating field to see our new track changes setting in action. By changing this value to regular and then refreshing our page, we'll see that this change is now reflected in the stream. In this way, you can choose to track the changes in any fields which handle important information so that you'll know exactly when this field's values were changed, by who, and what the old and new values are. The notifications for these field changes ensure that both owners of records and any system users who have followed this record will be updated. To recap, if you are set as the owner of a record or are following a record, you'll receive three types of notifications. The first will display any notes or comments added to the record. The second will display any files uploaded to the record. And the third will display changes made to any tracked fields. In this way, you can track and stay up to date on important changes.